Hello everyone, my name is Ziad Abass, and I'm an engineer in the Event Streams on Cloud team. Let me start with what Event Streams is. It's a messaging platform that uses Apache Kafka behind the scenes. IBM has two offerings for Event Streams. There's the on-cloud offering, which I'm part of, and there's the on-prem offering. We have some things in common, but I'm involved with just the cloud team. We're a team of around 23 people, and we don't have fixed roles in the team because we work in a DevOps kind of way. So all the team members rotate within the available roles. So at any given point in time, an engineer would either be in the development squad or the operations squad, and we would alternate between the two roughly every 4 weeks. In a nutshell, if I'm in the operations squad, I'm responsible for maintaining the high availability of our service, making sure everything is up and running, responding to customer issues, making sure that we meet compliance standards, for example. So not really developing anything new, but making sure that what's up is indeed up and running, and that all our customers don't have any issues. If I'm in the development squad, my role is to work on developing and testing new features for our service. We don't have a separate testing team, and so developers write code and test it before merging. We work in a CI/CD kind of way, so continuous integration, continuous deployment, in a very high-paced method. So basically, we have a 3-stage pipeline which pushes our changes to production within about 48 hours of merging. So if I'm writing code today and I merge it, it's in production in about 2 days, provided the pipeline goes smoothly. What else? Okay, so the general workflow of the team is kind of unique from my perspective, at least. So we work in pairs. Every week we get assigned a pair, which could change the following week, and we get assigned a specific task to work on for that week or for the sprint, which is 2 weeks. We work in our pairing stations, where we share one laptop, but each person has their own monitor, keyboard, and mouse, which means that we can take turns driving, which is pretty cool because we have this shared ownership culture. No one owns any part of the offering because we all rotate within the available roles, and so it's really cool to drive for a while and then have your pair drive, share ideas, and bounce thoughts off each other. Every day we started off with a daily scrum, one for the development squad, one for the operations squad, just to reflect on what happened the day before, say what the plan is for that day, etc. We call for breakouts when there's an issue that requires input from a lot of people in the team. These happen, I would say they happen daily, and the invitations are all informal because of the open plan office we have, and so anyone interested can just hop in. We've got weekly playbacks where we discuss what's been done the previous sprint, maybe even demo it, and we also have weekly retrospective sessions where we talk about the good and the bad of the previous week and make small improvements in our team, not just technically but in the way we actually work in the team, and so that's really cool because it means that we can get more productive iteratively every week. I really like the Agile way we work because I feel like this team specifically really works in a true Agile way. We have weekly feedback from our offering manager. He works really closely with us, and so we have feedback on the issues and the developments we've made in a very short-term kind of cycle, which is pretty cool. We have a very high-paced development cycle, as I said, where it takes just little time for your changes to really take effect and be with the clients. What else was there? And from my perspective, I would say that the most important thing I learned from working in that team is how important being adaptable is, because of the way we pair and the way we work. Everything is shared. And so you really have to be flexible in the way you work to get along with everyone and be as productive as you can. And I'm open to any more questions if anyone wants to know more about event streams on Cloud Team.